I'm gonna make this a quick stream. Can't stream too long. I'm ready to go to bed. Alright, so today's topic is how claw machines work. Every claw machine works differently. So take my E-Lot for example. They all power up, just like what you would think a normal claw machine would. Every machine has their own reboot sequence, I guess you can say. And there's machines that are big money makers, and you're looking at one of them back in its prime day, back in its days. So the biggest thing is with the E-Lots. The biggest thing is with these is this one here has what they call an IntelliProgrammer. This, my friends, is the only way that you are able to set your claw strengths, your payouts, price per play, and vice versa. You can change your attraction modes, where you want, if you want attraction and things like that. You can set it to do that. You can also change your price and vice versa. So let's go ahead and turn on the E-Lot here, and I'll kind of give you a little insight on it. So as you see here, as you are seeing here, let's get this out of here. This will tell you what your payout is. Obviously, you hit the S to select, and there's all different things that you can explore on these. Your claw settings, which we're going to look at that. These machines here will not allow you to make it skill based. If you try to do that, it'll say that the claw is too strong and you got to weaken it. The pickup time, which tells you how long the claw will hang on to a prize on this machine before it lets go. Obviously, there's a thing in here which will give it a random pickup height, which I have that on. So basically what this will do is give it a randomized drop height. So for one time, it may pick it up about a quarter of an inch, if that, and it rigs you. Or it may pick it up all the way to the top, or be about halfway before it lets go. You got your cash boxes, your manual controls, and vice versa. So these machines, obviously E-Lots, their machines are set up a lot different versus this NeoFunds over here. With this NeoFunds crane right here behind us, as you can see, this one boots up a lot different. Hello. The stream, and this one displays the price per play on the screen here. So, and you got the fading lights and things like that. For free gain, you gotta hit the credit, this yellow button here. It allows you to put up free credit on. Now, going to your menus. Let's go through the menus here. And the menus on this machine is so much different compared to my little Giga. So you got your system info, which tells you, your serial number, date of manufacturing, your gaming audits, all that fun stuff. Your system test is where you go to change your price per play. Obviously, you got different modes here, as you see. You also set your payout on this. And you can change your LCD screen, adjustments, grab times, and all that fun jazz. Now, air catch mode, basically what that is, you double tap that button, and it'll stop the claw from going all the way down. You got your directional motor speeds, LED mode, volume adjustment, game modes, wind percentage, and things like that. Then, I don't mess with that. Gantry test. This takes you to your claw strength. So your high test power, which on this one would be just the payout strength only. See, as you see, it snaps shut hard. Then in the mid-range, which would be the main strength itself, which is what the claw would grab at on this one, and then the bottom allows it to let go. So, I mean, this thing has got all kinds of different things. You got burn-in test, factory setting, which restores it to factory settings when you get the machine, when you first got the machine from the factory, and things like that. Every claw machine is different. The Moonlight Catcher's all analog. So we'll get to that here in just a second, okay? Oh yes, we better clean up, close it out. So, and as you've seen, oh, there it is. Okay, I'm going to put a few plays on this, and we'll play the E-Lot a few times. Let me close this door. Alright. So, with this guy, as you've seen, and it's going to be a quick string, guys, so every machine has a different way of behaving with payout rates. So this one here is only a two-stage. So, meaning the two-stage voltage, it grabs hard at the bottom and then lets it go at the top. See that? Hello, Tyler's Amusements. Welcome. And obviously you can set your gantry speed however you want it. There you go. There's a win. All right. Okay, we'll shut that down. That's how Neo Funds would function. Obviously, you've seen how the E-Lot does through the Intelli programmer in there. Now watch this. This one here has the E-Lot Big Rig Challenge soundboard. Oops, wrong button. There we go. A 2-in-1. Let's come over here and knock this guy in. Or not. We'll just have to grab him. Hello, Blue Demon, the Jesus to Juggalo guy. Welcome. So, this is just how the E-Lot is. Obviously, you know they have different motions. E-Lot moves to the side and then comes forward. Like I said, the thing is with this machine, you cannot make it skill-based. E-Lot is just different that way. And I like, me personally, E-Lot has a challenge. Makes the machines are challenging for a purpose. And I like that about these things. And of course, I've always liked E-Lot cranes, so. Let's try to get the claw around this guy. Pretty good. I don't know about. Try to get this way in the poo. Now you'll notice how it closes good and then loosens on the way up. Now that's just how these things are. So right there, that's good luck. Hardly left. And again, these machines, every machine behaves differently. All right, guys, let's play it. Let's play it one more time, huh? All right. I can't end it like that on the E-lot. Perfect grab, and there you go. All right. Now you'll notice as it gets lower, the machine that beat and payout becomes a little bit more difficult. All right, let's move on to the Moonlight Catcher. Let's head on to the Moonlight Catcher. And like I said, every machine operates differently. What? Okay. So this machine is a Moonlight Catcher. Looks just a traditional machine, right? Okay. So I'll need my keys. All right. So now this machine will turn my light on. This machine, everything is analog. This machine is not digital, like my E-Lot and my two Neofun cranes are. So obviously, you gotta take this off to get to the control panel as far as my other things, stuff is concerned. All right. So everything you set is all set by this board. So we're going to discuss what they do. This just tells you, like, if the clog would, if you want to change the setting to where the claw will go over the play field, you could do that. This one just keeps it where it's at. The first dip switch bank, the first dip switch bank is your payout bank. So each one of these is responsible for setting a payout. Okay. This one over here. Yeah. This one here is your price per play your price per play bank on your dip switch. Now, I'm going to show you what this does. This only helps you correspond with your claw strength. So, 3, 4, and 5. So, in order, if you're changing your claw strength on a Moonlight Catcher, you'll need 3, 4, and 5. Okay? So, number 5 would be corresponding to this knob down here. Obviously, as you can see, that's what my thing is set at. You would obviously do that through every one of your things, and then you'll turn the knob what it's corresponding to. Obviously, if VR1 strength is down on VR3 knob, these knobs are called potentiometers, okay? And what these guys are responsible for doing is telling you how strong or how weak your claw closes. So, that is something you want to keep in mind. Alright, so now when you're done doing that, you'll shut your crane off. And you're ready to go. And ready to play. But then, obviously you would need to do that. Let's put this on. So now it is ready for gameplay. Obviously, this machine is set up differently. The other part of this machine is also analog. This machine is a 2007 model Moonlight Catcher. As you can see, it uses the mechanical meter. Your price sensor is located straight back there in the back. Right there where that black thing's at. That's where your price sensor's at. Yeah. And I also modded the oh no, I'm sorry to hear that, Arvin. I hope they hope nothing was seriously damaged. But this here, guys, is your free play button. Play it one more time. So again, like I said, this is just set how I got it. Try for Snoopy. I don't know if I can yank him out or not. He's in there pretty good. Yeah, he's not coming out of there. All right. So that's going to do it for this quick little stream. I got to get ready for bed, guys. Thanks for tuning in. As always, before I go, I just want to remind you all that Jesus loves you and God bless. Hope you guys enjoyed this little video, and we'll see you next time.